If you're over 70, you've likely worked hard to stay healthy and independent. Yet, certain common habits might be undermining your efforts without you even realizing it. These behaviors may seem harmless, even routine, but they can subtly drain your energy, harm your health, and reduce your quality of life. The good news: with a few smart changes, you can reclaim your vitality, feel stronger, and live life to the fullest. 1. Sitting too much, the silent health killer. The problem: prolonged sitting is often called the new smoking because of its profound impact on health. After 70, a sedentary lifestyle can accelerate muscle loss, sarcopenia, increase the risk of heart disease, and even contribute to cognitive decline. Many seniors spend hours watching TV, reading, or simply staying seated because it's comfortable or feels safer. The solution: the secret is to snack on movement throughout the day. Set a timer to stand or walk every 30 minutes. Gentle exercises like chair yoga, tai chi, or walking around your home can keep your muscles engaged and your blood flowing. Adding light strength training a couple of times a week is another game changer. It helps maintain bone density and balance, reducing the risk of falls. 2. Neglecting hydration, a deceptively simple mistake. The problem: as we age, our sense of thirst diminishes, making dehydration a real threat. This can lead to fatigue, dizziness, urinary tract infections, and even confusion. Many older adults unintentionally drink less because they don't feel thirsty or worrying about frequent bathroom trips. The solution: treat hydration as a non-negotiable part of your day. Keep a water bottle within arm's reach and aim for small sips throughout the day. If plain water feels unappealing, try herbal teas, flavored water, or broths. Adding foods with high water content, like cucumbers and oranges, can also help. 3. Ignoring sleep quality, the overlooked vitality booster. The problem: poor sleep isn't just frustrating, it can wreak havoc on your overall health. Many people over 70 experience fragmented sleep due to health issues, medications, or a natural decline in melatonin production. This leads to daytime fatigue, a weakened immune system, and mood disturbances. The solution: the key is to prioritize sleep hygiene. Keep a consistent bedtime routine, reduce screen exposure in the evening, and make your bedroom a cool, dark, and quiet sanctuary. Incorporating relaxing rituals like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music can help signal your body that it's time to wind down. The takeaway: the habits you choose today shape your tomorrow. By addressing these 3 common pitfalls: too much sitting, neglecting hydration, and overlooking sleep, you can unlock a healthier, more energized version of yourself at any age. The secret lies in small, consistent changes that pay off in big ways.